So, as I said, the edge had rolled away from the frame and away from the template, so I've cut back the rolled edge. I've re-taped by way of a bit of a release, and I'm just going to build that edge up with some fiberglass to strengthen the edge, and then before I start applying any filler or whatever. But it seems quite strong. It's had 3 layers, and I might even put an additional layer of tissue over the top. So there we are. So I'm going to try and fill these with P38, which is a car filler, and smooth them out so I can get a reasonable finish. I'm not sure it's going to work because the cardboard template had over time distorted, so the fiberglass has taken the shape on and is distorted as well. But we'll see. We'll have a go at just a couple of these faces and see how we get on. So, a lot of work to build these up. If these don't look too brilliant, or they too heavy because of the varying undulations in the original fiberglass, then I'll have to either consider refabricating them using steel or aluminium. Not really that familiar with sheet metal, but anyway, as an observation, you know, when you watch these custom car and renovation programs, and they panel beat the whole car out and then they cover the whole car in plastic padding, or Bondo as I've heard it called in America, and then they just block it all down, hours and hours, and loads of guys blocking down to get it nice and smooth and that. Oh, I couldn't do that. Not my sort of a job. Anyway, yeah, I'll carry on and give this a go. Right, I've given these 2 or 3 coats, maybe even more, and of P38 plastic padding, as we used to call it. And yeah, it has a very, where I got the fiberglass really nice and flat, it's quite thin, and where I didn't, it's quite fat. but I don't think they will really show, and we'll see what it looks like. So it's by no means ready for final painting, but I'm going to get some primer on it just so I can see whether it's warped. I've used a block and I've rubbed it for hours, so I'm just going to put a light dusting of grey primer on just so that I can see whether or not it's rippled, whether this is a wasted effort, and where, if any, there's a few little marks and low spots. So that's what I'm going to do. Right. Right, shape doesn't look too bad. A few little maybe ripples. We'll see what that looks like when it dries.